Wow, look at this spread. So many pentacles, and this is all about stability, growth, and wealth. Can you see the rich golden tones in these cards? Beautiful cards. They practically glow with the promise of something big. This is not just about money, though we are having the pentacles, but I believe this is deeper. Let's check out. So we have the Eight of Pentacles. Can you picture it? Someone working tirelessly, perfecting their craft. This is not luck. This is effort, skill, and persistence. Have you been feeling like you are grinding, repeating the same thing over and over? Some might call it boring, but my friend, this is the secret. The unseen hours, the dedication, it's all leading somewhere, and I'll tell you where. Because right next to it, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Do you feel that shift? This is legacy, abundance, something long lasting, not just for you, but for those who come after. This is what happens when all that hard work pays off. But wait, I can't help but notice something else, and that is the Page of Swords. Now, this one is interesting. Curiosity, questions, maybe even a little spying. Someone is watching you, someone is spying on you. Okay, someone is trying to gather information about you, that what you are up to. For some of you, this can be some other person, okay, and for the other group of you, it is you, like who is spying or learning, you know, about the other person, watching somebody else, gathering the information about them. Okay, so are you keeping an eye on an opportunity, trying to figure out the next step? It can be in a relationship or it can be in the workplace. Or I can see that someone is watching you, observing how you move, waiting to see if you will sleep or succeed, okay? And this makes things very, very tough. I mean, you know, many times we say that that person speaks good to you, but actually he or she does not have the good intentions. I mean, on the face, they really want you to succeed, but actually, their intentions are not that positive. Okay, so that kind of energy this person has. And I can also see a contradiction here with Four of Pentacles. How tightly they hold on to what they have. Look at it, the Four of Pentacles card. There's a security here, but there's a fear also. Are you protecting what's here? Are you afraid to take a risk? Sometimes we hold so tightly to what we have that we block what's trying to come in. And that, my friend, is something to think about. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. Now, this is independence, success, standing tall in everything you have built. There's beauty in this energy, a confidence that says, I did this and you did, or you will. But wait, there's one last card as well, and that is the Page of Pentacles. Now we see it, the student, the beginning of something new. After all, this hard work, all this building, all this watching and learning, we are back to a new seed being planted. This tells me something your journey is not stopping here. There's another opportunity, another goal on the horizon. You have mastered one thing. That can be anything. It can be, if you are a working professional, it can be Excel or the AI tools or whatever you do for your job, okay? Something like you have mastered one thing, one domain, but there's another mountain waiting for you to climb, and you are not taking that action. You know that, if you will learn that particular skill or particular craft, you are going to grow. But somewhere you are holding on not to do that. Okay. So, my friend, The question isn't if success is coming, that's really clear with the cards. The real question is when the next door opens. Will you step through? Because I can see the holding on energy here. So, yes, some kind of opportunity is definitely coming to you. Okay. And what a journey. You have really thrived. Whosoever is listening to me and whosoever is resonating with the reading, can you feel it? This is not just any reading. This is a story which is, unfolding before your eyes. And let me tell you something. This is a good one. You have worked hard. You have built something real. And trust me, this is only the beginning. The success, the recognition, and the abundance. Oh, it's coming. It's coming strong, my dear. But the best part, you're not just reaching the finish line, you're stepping into a whole new chapter. One that's even brighter, even bigger than before. So trust the process and get ready because the universe, it's got something amazing in store for you. And hey, if this reading resonated with you, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because Tarot with Donna. Oh, we have only just begun. See you in the next reading. Bye for now.